it's Jolene here. I just want to say happy Valentine's Day, and this video is going to be a little bit short because I have to be going somewhere and I have to get dressed and I really got up. Happy Valentine's Day. That's what I really want to say. I'm sorry I haven't been posting any videos. That's because I've been going lots of places. I don't know why, but yeah, I did. Happy Valentine's Day. Oh, my back itches. Yeah, happy Valentine's Day. I'm sorry. There's another reason why I wasn't posting. It's because Jalen wasn't here and she said to make videos with her more often. I'm making a video. I might make a little bit more. I'm not sure. But okay. It was good talking to y'all. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you next time.